Hello everyone, this is Rishabh. Welcome to my new podcast. So here we have Mr. Subham, and today we're gonna discuss about attitude. Hello, Mr. Subham, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. So, Mr. Subham, can you introduce yourself? That what you do, like something about you?
Okay, my name is Shubham Maheshwari, and I'm the host of the Shub Show and a student. I'm basically here to tell you about the attitude and what is attitude can do in your life, and how attitude can give you success.
Okay, fine. So, Subham, like my first question is all about that. What is the difference between positive attitude and negative? Like we have heard a lot of time that there is two kind of attitude: positive attitude and negative attitude. So, can you emphasize something? What is positive and what is negative attitude?
Okay, uh, positive attitude is basically a thing that if you can uh, acquire a habit of positive things, you can get success. And if you're a negative people, you can be unsuccessful people. If we take an example of two peoples that both are in same problem with both are doing same struggles, but first is negative and second is positive. Positive people always try to focus on good things what happening in their life and try to solve their problems, and negative people always find faults in every good thing and always try to run from their problems. So this is the major difference between the positive and negative attitude peoples.
Okay, okay, fine. You exactly gave a very good explanation about what is positive attitude and what is negative attitude. So one more thing is there like winning attitude. Okay, that what kind of attitude we should have to have a winning attitude, or if I ask in a simple word, so what is a winning attitude?
Okay, so the basically the winning attitude is the attitude that if you can acquire the also if you can acquire the habit of winning attitude, you always try to find win in everything. Like not in your profession, but in your like relationship, you always try to win in your relationship, in your parenting, and in everything. Like if I can give you an example so you can understand better. So a person in New York, it's I think I can take this story from Attitude Everything, a book. Okay, so a person named Jerry in a New York, he started his own business and tried to sell his merchant. Then after 1 year of starting their business, he got an idea. Why not we put some cartoons on our T-shirt? Then he get license from some small studios, but then he think that what if we can take this license from Walt Disney and try to put all the cartoons like Tom and Jerry on all their things on our T-shirt. He call the agent on Walt Disney and talk about all things like can I get the license, and every time he get a simple answer, no. And he tried for 2 years. 2 years he call every day, every week, every month, but he get a simple answer, no. After always he trying to find any agent that say him yes, but after some time calling a agent say okay, let's meet and we talk about all this stuff. When you meet this person, a person can get surprised with his attitude and with his positivity, and he sell all the rights of the Walt Disney to the merchant. After 1 year, he become the one of the most cartoon selling merchant in New York. So this is story of winning. I want to ask you, if you are in the place of that person, can you leave the license or not? Like
Yeah,
you
I
try
think
for like
like
you
most
try for 1 month, 1 year, and for many times, but every time you get answer no. Then what you do?
yeah, definitely like most of the people, like I think 99% of the people will just give up.
Give up. But those person has a winning attitude and he always want to win. No matter what he want to give or what he want to take, but he always try to find win. So this is example of winning attitude.
Okay, fine, fine. Yeah, great. Like you explained, like you narrated a very good story. Okay, so I have also learned this story. Like I have also learned a lot of things from this story. So one thing comes in my mind that how can we improve our attitude? Okay, because everybody's know that we should have positive attitude. Our attitude is this, but very rare people know that how to improve our attitude. So can you say something that how we can improve our attitude so that we can become a successful in our like in our life, or we can become a successful person?
Okay, so I can tell you some points. If you can try these points, you can get your attitude better. Number one, always focus on positive things. No matter what's going on in your life and what problem you are facing, but always try on positive things. Because
Mhm.
if you're facing anything, you can get two things: a positive things and a negative things. If you can just focus on negative things, you are not going to get, but you can get some sadness and some rough days. But if you can focus on positive things, then you get many things. Like you can get some inner peace that, yeah, these things happening in my life positively, and I can be a better person with this. So this is always focus on positive things. Second, be a patient. Okay, be a patientful person. Like we can do many things. Like in India, YouTube is the major platform. Everyone wants to be a big YouTuber, but they
Exactly.
don't have, yeah, but they don't have patience. They just upload 2 video, 3 video, 4 video and just give up. But they don't know the power of patience. If you can patiently upload one day, every day, upload one video and try it for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, he get definitely success in their field. But the people are not patient. They just want a one night success. Like I upload today video and I get million views in just 2 days.
Right.
That's not going to happen. So second thing is always be a patientful person. Number third and the last thing, you want, if you can do this thing, you can get success. So this thing always congratulate or give a thank you note to everyone. You meet many person in your life, and you always, some people give you some good knowledge, and always try to thank him for giving some knowledge, and always congratulate every person. Because like if you have birthday today and I know it, but I'm not congratulate you, and you are thinking that why these people know my birthday, but they are not congratulating me. They are good or not? So these three things, if you can do these three things, you can going to uh, make your attitude better.
Okay, okay, fine. So first of all, very thank you for giving this valuable information and this valuable knowledge. Fine. So like one most important thing, okay, which I found in people, they always complain. Okay, for example, somebody want to become YouTuber. Okay, so they will complain that I don't have a good mic or I don't have a good things. Okay, I don't know editing. That's why I can't become a good YouTuber. Or they want to do something extraordinary in their life. Okay, and they complain that okay, I'm from the village or I am from the cities, or always they try to find complaints in their work. So my question is that how anyone can stop complaining and start doing or start working or like how to be more productive.
So I want to ask you one simple question. If you complain about every problem of your life to anyone, what you can get about this? If you like,
Like,
I am sure that you complain someone about your problems in once in your lifetime. Like I'm not in max, I'm not good in max, I'm not doing very well. Yeah, I am ill today. So what you can get from this? They can give you some sympathy or give you some solution, but they are not going to solve your all problems. So you are not going to get anything from complaining. You can get not more than sadness. You can sad about your life. Yeah, I have lots of problems, what I can do with my life and all that stuff, but you are not going to do and get anything from complaining. But if you can start doing without any complaining, like I can take a simple example. We just talk about YouTube. If you not complain about I'm not getting some views, and instead of this you can record your videos and upload on YouTube, not thinking about, not just complaining about your things, I'm not getting this, just already upload and don't think about complaining. So this is simple thing that always people try to complain everything, like weather is not good today or I'm not going to go, and complaining every part in your life.
okay, okay, fine. Yeah, Mr. Like Subham, you explained the things in a good way. Okay, and I have also learned a lot of things. So one last question I have. Okay, I hope if you can answer it. So my question is that what is the piece of advice you would like to give to our listeners, those who are listening us? Something about your life lesson or the books you have read. Something, the piece of advice you would like to give to our viewers or to our listeners.
The one is the biggest advice I want to give anyone and every person I met or every person I talk about is don't don't think about people words and always do your work. Because if you think about people's words, what they are talking about, this thing in apply in every field. If you are a public speaker, want to try to speak in public, you don't want to take words of public that what they think about me. If you're a businessman, don't think about public or your relationship. You okay, lots of relatives talk about this, like you are going to start a business, you are going to fail, you don't want to do anything. If you are a YouTuber and start YouTubing, people say, "What are you making this rubbish for things? Stop doing this." Yeah, and instead of focus on your studies. So this is a piece of advice I want to give anyone, that don't think about people words and always do your work carefully.
Okay, fine, fine. Yeah, very good, Mr. Shivam. Like you gave a very good piece of advice that we should not care that what the other people think, because every person have something to say about the other. Even how good you do or how bad you do. Okay, people are gonna tell definitely. If you do nothing also, then also the people will definitely say. Okay, fine. So we should have a positive attitude. Okay, no matter what is happening in our life. Okay, so good is happening or bad is happening. Always we should have a positive attitude. So now it's time to end the podcast, Mr. Shubham. Okay. Thank you so much for giving your time, okay, and coming to my podcast and giving your possible and valuable content to our listeners.
Thank